The other point I'll talk about selling QuickBooks. Okay, about 3 years ago or 4 years ago, I forgot when, I joined the reseller channel at Intuit, and I have generated, and I'm not kidding, over $100,000 in QuickBooks commissions in the last 3 years. So it's been a real nice addition to my practice because not only you get to offer an additional product or service, you also get leads from Intuit. So I'll talk about kind of what Intuit does and how they partner up with us in the field to do that. Okay, so one of the things I mentioned earlier, becoming an Intuit reseller transformed my practice. Okay, I do things very, very different, significantly different, because I sell QuickBooks. So becoming an Intuit reseller means I get to offer my clients QuickBooks online and get a commission for it. It means I can receive quarterly bonuses for my volume. It means I get deep discounts on QuickBooks Pro, Premier, Accountant, and POS, so I can resell it to my clients. And it also means that I get residual income from QuickBooks payments. So there's a lot of huge benefits to that, and it's really added a whole spectrum of how I work, because I don't only see clients in terms of bookkeeping services or consulting services. I also see the opportunity to upgrade them to, in this case, to upgrade them to 2014, 2015, 2016. I actually see the value for myself, for my practice, for my profits, on having the client upgrade every year, or having the client go to QuickBooks Online, upgrade them to QuickBooks Online, and so forth. So let me share the polling results here. So about 12% of you are already selling QuickBooks, which is great, and about 71% of you are already selling and recommending, but they're not really, getting any profit from. So that's good, good insights to have. So therefore, this is very useful information for a lot of you. So if you sell somebody QuickBooks Online and you're an Intuit reseller, you can have your client pay a discount for life. You don't have to pay for it. The client pays for it, and you get a fixed bounty for activating a client. So that's actually really, really, really good. There's the deep discounts on QuickBooks Pro, Premier, Accountant. So right now, as a QuickBooks Pro advisor, you get a discount for reselling it to your client. As a reseller, you get an extra 5% discount, so you get a little bit more profit for the core Pro, Premier, Accountant clients. Every time you recommend a payment account, merchant sales, you get a percentage of every single credit card fee that they get charged. So that's incredible residual income. Commissions on sales or renewals and renewals of QuickBooks Enterprise. So right now, as a Pro advisor, you cannot really sell Enterprise unless you're reselling it. But as an Intuit reseller, you recommend Enterprise, people pay Intuit directly, and you get a back-end commission, so it's great. If you recommend anybody to Write Networks for hosting, you get a real handsome commission, a bounty for that sale. We can also resell the new QuickBooks Online Point of Sale, which is a very, very exciting tool. We get, as a reseller, you get a POS and an Enterprise 10-user license available to you for you to demo and sell it to your client. Recommending Intuit full-service payroll and assisted payroll gives you monthly residual income. There's bounty commissions on QuickBooks regular enterprise, enhanced payroll. Is Demandforce and Intuit Field Service Management are also Intuit products that you get residual income for selling. Actually get leads from Intuit. Every time somebody calls Intuit trying to buy a product and Intuit doesn't close it, it automatically goes to a reseller for the reseller to try to close it, and they try to do it based on the local area. So if you have clients within your area trying to buy Enterprise or inquiring about it and the sale doesn't close, the lead goes to you and gives you the opportunity to sell it and obviously sell more stuff to your clients. So there's a lot of huge benefits to becoming other than the actual profit portion. There's a lot of benefits to doing that. To know more about the Intuit Reseller channel, just go to intuitreseller.com. I have my own personal contact in Intuit, and he's an extremely awesome guy. He would gladly answer any questions about the reseller program. His name is Steve Hall. I put the email up in the screen. Also, if you don't want to be quite a reseller, but you have a couple of deals that you want to work with me personally with, we can also try to partner, see how maybe I can help you close some of these sales, or maybe I can help you get your path into the Intuit Reseller program, because I'm an advocate of the Intuit Reseller program, and I will very much like for anybody that has the opportunity to become one.